Assalamualaikum and very good morning. So today we are going to discuss question 2. So the question is, the following stem and leaf diagram shows the distribution of heights in centimeter of a sample of 17 Form 3 students in a school. So this is the diagram given. So this is the keyword how to we arrange uh, the data given. So first, how to rearrange? Just copy this. So now we count the number of data here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So the n is 17, which is odd number. So for the median, the question median is 17 odd number. So the median formula for the odd number is median equal to n plus 1 over 2. So our n is 17 plus 1 divided by 2. The answer is 9 observation. We must to count the 9 observation at the data above. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 137.
So the next question, we want to find the interquartile range. So as we know, interquartile range equals to Q3 minus Q1. So we need to find the value of Q3 and Q1 first. So the formula for Q1 equals to P25, or this equals to 25% actually. 25% from the total data. So as you know, 25% is also equals to 1 over 4, right? So S equals to 1 over 4 times total data. So we get 1 over 4 times 17. So the answer is 4.25. But 4.25 is not an integer. So what we need to do is we must get the smallest number that greater than 4.25. The integer, smallest integer that is greater than 4.25. So the answer will be 5. 5. 5 x 5 ni, it means 5 observation. So the answer would be 129. So we get the first value of Q1, and now we calculate the value of Q3. So Q3 is also equals to P75, which means 75% from the total data. So S equals to 3 over 4. So 75 over 100, we get 3 over 4 times the total data, 17. We get 12.75. And again, this is also not an integer. So same as before, we need to find the value that is the smallest integer value from 12.75, which is x13 or 13 observation. So the answer would be 144. So now we can calculate the interquartile range. So interquartile range equals to Q3 minus Q1, and we just take this value over here, this and this. So it will be 144 minus 129, and then we get 15 for the value of interquartile range. That's it.
Hello everyone, and I'll be continuing with part 3. We're going to find the lower and upper fence, so just write down the formula. Now your lower fence would be equals to first quartile minus 1.5 times with your interquartile range. So just substitute the formula. The first quartile is 129 minus 1.5 times your interquartile range, which is 15, and you will get 106.5. Now moving on to the upper fence. Just like what we did earlier, write down the formula, which is a third quartile minus plus 1.5 times with your interquartile range. Now again substitute the formula. The third quartile is 144 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range 15. You will end up with 166.5. Now we are going to find the minimum and maximum value. So as we seen earlier, your lower fence is 106.5 and your upper fence is 166.5. Means you can take the value from 106.5, which is minimum, up to 166.5, which is your maximum value. So based on the data, we can write that our minimum value is equals to 110 because it's still greater than 106.5. Your maximum value, on the other hand, cannot be 169 as it surpasses your upper fence. So the value next to that we can take is 151. That's the output. Okay, so to construct a block and vista block, median Q1 and Q3, and lower fence, upper fence, and maximum and minimum. Okay, so we have all of this. Now we can draw our block and vista block. Then we draw our Q1 and Q3 first. Okay, this is our Q1 and Q3. So Q1 is 129 and Q3 is 144. Okay, now we can draw our Q2, that's medium. Medium is 137 and we write here Q2. Okay, after that we can draw our maximum point and minimum point. So our maximum point is 151 and our minimum point is 110. Okay, after this we put in our lower fence and upper fence. This is our lower fence. It is 1
106.5, and our upper fence, it is 166.5. Okay, after this, we need to know that is all our value inside the lower fence and upper fence. So we see back our here. See our upper fence, our lower fence is 106.5, and our upper fence is 166.5. Okay, we see the lowest one. This 169 is above than the low upper fence. So we are here. Need to list that 169. So the question asks us to give a comment on the description. So we can write here. There is an outlier that is 169, and we also can tambah the data distribution is negatively skewed slightly. Okay, so that's all our presentation. If there any question, can put below the comments, and that's all. Thank you.